Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, YouTube. If this is your first time stopping in, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons to trade. It's gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, I put a Navien in, I'm gonna say during maybe January, February, I'm gonna say November, December. And it's a rooming house, and they were saying that the domestic hot water isn't hot enough. So I'm gonna stop by there. A little bit of a situation there with the tenants. So I always follow up my work, man. So I'm gonna go by there. The owner's a great guy, good customer, and make sure it's good. But this time I'm gonna bring in my thermometer, get the shot, and just test the temp at the fixture, test the temp at the bathroom and at the kitchen. We will see you when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We truly appreciate it. Have a great day. I'm going to break out my pocket fold up thermometer to check the water temp on the domestic hot. Oh, look at that. The temp's already on 120. The temp's on 120, so I'm not going to raise that. So what I'll do, I'll go to each fixture and check it out. This way we're safe. Already set for 120. And I'm not putting it higher than 120. No, no, no. I'm going to time it too. See how long it gets to, how long the hot water gets to get to the fixture. Boop. Right now it's an 80. Still 80. Still 80. Takes a long time to get here, I'll tell you that. We're going in a minute. Oh, here it comes. A minute till we got hot water. $98, $99, $101, $103, $104, $105, $107, $8, $9. You can see that, right? So 115. I'm happy with that. Let's go downstairs. Alrighty. Took a minute to get here. Maybe we should put a recirc line in. Yeah, you're at 116 here. So we're gonna call that a wrap. So the Navien's fine, it's on 120, and this little tool, the X-Tech instrument, proved my point. Alright, perfect for reading the temperature of the domestic water. And with that, we call it a wrap. And there goes another satisfied customer. Have a great weekend, everybody. It's Friday.